So this is a bit of a first for my channel. Tardigs have kindly sent me a review unit of their new mouse mat. It's available for pre-order currently. It's not even gone into Kickstarter yet, but I've got one. I'm going to unbox it and let you know my thoughts. As you can see, the box is a matte black affair with silver lettering and logos and that kind of thing all the way around. Nothing much else going on. It pulls out to show you the mouse mat. It's a space theme. Tardigs has been created by space game enthusiasts. They were sick of not being able to get good quality mouse mats which replicated the feel and quality of your standard ones I've reviewed on this channel, like your Steel series and that kind of thing, but with a space theme. So that's looking really cool already. As you can see, it's a really wide one. In the box, as well as the mouse pad, is a warranty card. So there is the mouse mat in all its glory. Much like the Steel series mousepad I reviewed earlier on my channel, it covers the whole width of your gaming area, so your keyboard and your mouse. It's got a braided edge as well. The bottom is a rubbery material blue. It's really solid on the desk. Doesn't move around. So I'm going to spend a little while gaming with this, and I'll let you know my thoughts. So as a mousing surface, it feels really smooth. This is on a par, if not better, than the Steel series mouse mats I've reviewed on this channel before. It's really nice, absolutely no friction. That feels really nice, and it's really well cushioned. It's going to be really nice on the wrists. I will include the link below to their website where you can pre-order this. People who sign up will be referred to their Kickstarter campaign and will get lifelong founder membership. Founders will have access to discounts on future products and be able to contribute to the design. I have to say, this is one of the best quality mouse mats I've tried on this channel. If I absolutely had to give you a negative point, I would struggle. For me personally, I think maybe I could do with it being a few inches wider. Maybe because I have long arms, I think I like to spread out a bit more, and that means my keyboard kind of gets right to the edge of the mouse mat. But that's no negative point, and to be honest, most people are not going to have that issue. So a massive thank you to the guys over at Tardigs for letting me have a sample of them, a new mouse mat to review. It is awesome, I'll tell you that. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, hit subscribe. I make new videos all the time on gaming peripherals, household peripherals, that kind of thing. And I'll see you in the next one.